Hello class. The next function to demonstrate is the keyboard hit function. The keyboard hit function is used to read the status of the keyboard buffer. Let me try to explain. Here is your keyboard with all of its keys. And here is your computer. Inside the computer, there is a space called a buffer. Every time the user presses a key, a value gets saved into the buffer. Now the buffer may be several bytes long, which means a user can type their name and each character will go into the buffer one after the other. Sometimes the CPU is not ready to read the keyboard. It might be busy doing some other work. So a signal has to be sent to the CPU to let the CPU know that a character is available to be processed. That is the purpose of the keyboard hit function. The keyboard hit function checks to see if a signal has been sent to the CPU to determine if a key has been hit. We use this to monitor the status of the keyboard when we're processing data entry. In this example here, I have an if statement inside of a loop. And this if statement checks to see if the status of the keyboard hit buffer is true or false. If a character is available to be processed, this will be true, which means that now I can use this function to save my character. And once I have inputted the value of my character, then I can continue processing in my program, processing that character in my program. In this example here, I am continuously reading the status of the keyboard buffer and checking to see if any key that I pressed was not J. If the key is not J, it will continue to loop. But once the J letter is pressed, then it will exit the loop and stop the program. Let me demonstrate this. As you can see, the program is writing loop. And if I press any key, nothing will happen. Only when I press the letter J will the program exit the loop. This is a very useful program to simulate input to a continuous loop process, which you'll be using in your project. The values that are available from the keyboard range between 33 and 127, which represent all of the ASCII characters that are available for typing, including all of the alphabets, all of the numbers, and all of the basic symbols. Thank you.